Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix packet loss, network jitter, stuttering, lagging, high ping on Battlefield 6. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to press on search, and then you just need to create a restore point. And then you just need to press create, give it a name. So for example, B6. And this one, if something went wrong, you can always go back after you change the settings and restore to the before you change settings, right? So it will fix everything. But just press system restore, choose different restore point, and then select B6, and then just complete the step, okay? So this is the first step. Second step, what you need to do here is to write view network connections on search, and then here you need to disable everything that you don't use. Of course, for example, if you use Bluetooth, just leave it enabled, but just disable everything other, right? And to do so, you just need to right click on the thing that you don't want to use and press disable here. Then you need to find your Ethernet connection or a Wi-Fi connection, right click on it, go to properties, and then here make sure the client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 only options is enabled here, right? And to disable, just uncheck it, right? And apply the changes. Then what you need to do here is to right click again, go to properties, go to press configure, power management, and make sure allow this device to wake the computer is only option available. And then go to advanced and copy my settings here. So advanced EEE and RP offload should be disabled. EE max support speed, leave it as this. Energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabyte light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, jumbo frame, large send offload, v2 IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled, okay? Then network address should be not present, NS offload should be disabled, power saving mode disabled, priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled, received buffers, leave it as it is, shutdown wake on LAN should be disabled, speed and duplex should be highest available, TCP checksum IPv6 and TCP checksum IPv4 should be disabled, transmit buffers leave it as it is, UDP checksum offload IPv4 and UDP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled as well. VLAN ID, leave it as it is. Wake on magic packet and wake on pattern match disabled. And WOL shutdown link speed, leave it as it is. And then right click on your internet connection, go to properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4. And you need to use DNS server addresses in order to perform better. In my case, Cloudflare's DNS servers is working better, but for you, it can be Google ones as well. So what you need to do here, you need to test it out, which one is working better for you. So to do so, you just need to open up CMD or command prompt as admin, and then you need to test it out one by one. First, I will put Google ones. So ping, you need to write ping 8.8.8.8 and look what results you are getting. In my case, I'm getting, as you can see here, on average 7 ms with 0 packet loss. If I test secondary Google DNS server, I just need to write ping 8.8.4.4. As you can see, I'm getting 8 ms. And if I test Cloudflare's ping 1.1.1.1, I'm getting 3 ms. And if I put secondary Cloudflare's DNS server address, ping 1.0.0.1, I'm getting 4 ms. So for me, Cloudflare is better, and I'm using it here. So just put what is better for you, press apply, okay, and then look if you're getting better results or not. And if you're not getting better results, then what I highly advise you to use is Exit Lag. It has 3 days free trial, I believe. When I didn't have an Ethernet connection, I always used it to play CS2, and it worked basically better for me. I could play the game. So what you need to do here, you just need to download it, get free trial through my link in the description below. Of course, if you buy something next, I will get small commission. And then you just need to go to library, go to a battlefield, and then you need to look for Battlefield 6, right? choose a region or server, select closest to you, in my case is Europe, and then you just need to press apply routes. And once uh, routes applied successfully, you just need to launch the game and look if you're getting better results or not. That's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.